Hi, you guys. I want to drop in here with a little bit of a preview of this abundance event collaboration that's happening with Ken Lloyd on, June 26th, Thursday. This is a really big deal for my mission. This particular topic, abundance, accessing your full money template, the fullness of your prosperity blueprint, what's already earmarked for you, is something I personally am really passionate about seeing fully played out for the light workers, the spiritual leaders, the way showers in my community. This is such a key pillar to my mission. I am here to see you, to walk with you, to support you in realizing and actualizing the fullness of your wealth blueprint. And so, you better believe I've put weeks of effort and interest and heart and energy into this event. I am so excited to have manifested the magic of the KDC, the Ken's Divine Collective, into my lived reality, because this is enabling the firepower that I have been wanting so deeply to exist in this aspect of my mission. This session is here to dissolve limiting beliefs and poverty patterns. This session is here to recode self-worth and the self-value signature. This session is here to break time-based distortions. This session is here to activate receiving and creation templates. This session is to align you with your true mission, your soul mission. So, how do we do that? We are going to be using light-encoded light codes, light language, sound, vibration, energy, intention to clear mental programs of financial scarcity, self-worth distortion, ancestral survival coding. There are about 40 bullet points. I'm not going to read them all, but I just want you to know this is the level of clarity and specificity and how finitely we are going at this. What animal activity is happening behind me? We are clearing social programming around class and gender structures and distortions of power related to money. We are clearing ancestral codes of persecution linked to wealth and betrayal. This is big stuff. There are 4 bullet points under that one alone. We are clearing trauma around following your intuition and taking aligned action. Clearing trauma around self-sabotage programs. Releasing unconscious vows of poverty, suppression, silence, powerlessness. The whole piety equals poverty thing, the whole me going without and me suffering makes me a better human, makes me pure, makes me more worthy of God, God's love, and thereby the mercy and gifts of God. Me going without bounty and fullness, making me more godly. That's what we're clearing here. So we're unlinking moral virtue from lack. We are unlinking piety from poverty. We are unlinking purity from poverty. We are clearing non-beneficial perceptions of money, monetary value around self, around your craft, around your service, around service itself, around work, labor, burden. We're clearing false identities linked to toil and struggle and strife. Earning through pain, acquiring money through manipulation of money, and limitations on income and influx and receiving. So with great joy, great fulfillment, great gratification, I present to you the Abundance event. Get your tailbone in here, register now so that you can get access to the live event, and you will also get the recording mailed to your inbox right after the event. That all is under bullet point number 1, dissolving limiting beliefs and poverty patterns. I haven't talked about recoding the wealth, keeping the numbers right, recoding self-worth, and recoding the self-value signature. I haven't talked about transmuting or changing time-based distortions, but that's really important, right? Because we all have been operating on this time for the dollar scarcity matrix, and we're obliterating that. We're freeing ourselves from it. We are delinking from that. So jump in, join us if you want to.